Came in through the cat door. That beak looks pretty nasty. I really want to grab him. Try to open the door. See. Come out. Come on. There we go. Yo, got that little cat door you came in. Oh. Oh, damn it. You idiot. Door's wide open. Aren't you a pretty bird? You gonna bite me? Alright, buddy. I'm gonna grab you, alright? Don't fucking attack me. Mobley. You come to join the party, I see. Well, don't knock yourself out. Let's see what happens if I touch your face. Okay. I'm gonna go wake up Tim. Fuck this. Tim! Check this out.
What's up? Wow.
I think he flew in through the cat door. I videoed the whole thing of me.
Catch him.
He just sort of let me grab him. I think he's really tired. Ain't he pretty?
Yeah, this is. I don't even know what kind of bird that is.
I was worried he was gonna peck at me with that vicious little beak he's got. Alright. One last little hoorah for the camera here. And off he goes.